Hello everyone, welcome back to Pravya's Food Diaries. I hope you all are doing good and enjoying our recipes. Today, in this video, we will see the recipe of Chicken Tandoori Momos. These flavorful dumplings combine the traditional momo with the aromatic spices of Indian tandoori chicken. So let's get started. To start with, knead a soft dough using all-purpose flour, salt, oil and water. Once you knead a dough, let it rest for 30 minutes. For the stuffing, finely chop together boneless chicken, onion, ginger and green chilies. You can also grind them in a grinder. Then add salt, black pepper powder and mix them together. After 30 minutes, take a small portion of a dough and roll it out thinly. Add the stuffing and shape them in whichever shape you want. Once all the momos are ready, steam them in a steamer or as shown in the video for 10 to 12 minutes. For the tandoori marinade, mix all the spices with the hum curd. Coat all the momos with the prepared marinade very well. Grill these momos in the OTG or oven at 200 degrees Celsius for 10 to 12 minutes. Another method is to steam the momos for 15 to 20 minutes and then char grill on all sides directly on the gas flame till you get the perfect texture. chaat masala over the momos. For the mint yogurt dip, grind together mint leaves, green chilies and ginger. Mix this mixture with the hung curd and salt to taste. You can adjust the spiciness according to your taste. Serve these momos with mayonnaise and mint yogurt dip on the side. I hope you liked this recipe, and if you do, don't forget to subscribe, like and share it to your friends and families.